What's up, guys? I just wanted to do a quick review. I'm going to show you this tool. What happened was when I purchased the house, the drain was already horrible and rotting out. And when I tried taking it out, the cross members broke. So I bought this tool, and so far it's been working. I'm gonna go ahead and finish pulling it out, and so it's a good tool, man. It works. So if you ever have that issue, here's the part right here, so you know what to buy, and it works. All right. So here, I don't know if I could do this with one hand, but let me just show you how it works. That's pretty much how it works. I'm gonna go ahead and stop because I need both my hands. But just so you can see how it works. That's a 1/2 inch size. And there you go. That's disgusting. Time for a new one. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.